In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI-assisted writing more original and natural. One of the best ways to get better results from AI is to stop thinking of it as a replacement for your ideas and start using it as a tool to support your thinking. Before you generate anything, begin with your own point of view. Think about what you actually want to say, what message matters most, and what unique angle you can bring to the topic. AI can help you organize thoughts, explore directions, and break through writer's block, but the foundation should still come from you. A simple prompt like, "Help me organize my ideas into a clear article outline," works well because it keeps your thinking at the center of the process. Once you have a draft, the next step is to edit and personalize it. This is where your writing starts to sound less generic and more human. Go through the draft carefully and rewrite sections in your own style and tone. If something sounds overly polished, repetitive, or vague, change it. Replace generic statements with language you would actually use. Add your experience, your professional knowledge, and your perspective on the subject. If there are areas that feel thin or surface level, expand them with more explanation and useful detail. You can also ask AI to support this part of the process with a prompt like, "Rewrite this paragraph in a conversational and professional tone," but make sure you still review the result and shape it to fit your voice. After that, focus on quality and accuracy. This step is essential, especially if you're writing educational, business, or research-based content. Never assume AI-generated claims are correct. Check important facts, statistics, and references. Make sure the information is current and supported by credible sources. If a section makes a bold claim, ask whether it needs evidence or further explanation. A helpful prompt here is, "Review this article and identify areas that need more evidence or explanation." This can help you spot weak points, but the final responsibility still belongs to you. Finally, create content that feels authentic and genuinely helpful. The strongest AI-assisted writing comes from combining AI support with human judgment and editing. Instead of trying to game detection systems, focus on delivering something useful, trustworthy, and worth reading. Add original examples, real-world details, stories, and insights that reflect your own understanding. If needed, you can ask, "Suggest ways to make this article more unique, insightful, and engaging." Use the right way. AI can make your writing process faster, but your originality is what makes the final content truly stand out.